Hello friends, Namaste. Today I'll discuss with you a visualization which is very interesting and very important for you. Nowadays we have so many responsibilities on our shoulders, be it related to family or our friends or social or financial and so on. Even our activities that are meant for entertainment, they draw all our attention and drain ourselves of our energy. We focus and engage ourselves in outer world. Most of us need to find a little bit of time away from the outer world and utilize this time to direct ourselves inwards. There is a part of us we can call the creative part. This part helps us to find ways to solve problems we face in everyday life. This is the part that gives us ideas when we need them. We need to connect to the source of this creative part of ours. I strongly believe that each one of us has inner wisdom to guide us and to help us out. This guiding force can help us tremendously in our life by guiding us successfully. But when we spend most of our time connected to the outer world, we lose connect with this guiding force, this guiding creative force which is lying inside of us. Other than this, most of us are not taught about how to trust the guidance of our inner wisdom and creative source. We are taught to follow the rules of the outer world, the society, and whatever other people think is right or wrong for us, and what we should do. The result is that we have lost touch with the roots of our existence, our soul. We need to spend some time specifically for the purpose of re-establishing connect with our inner wisdom and guidance. We also need to re-educate us to focus on this part of us that holds this inner guidance and truly knows what is best for us. This part of us helps us if we devote some time to it on regular basis, be it a few minutes daily or once a week. We need this time to give rest to our body and mind and make them stress-free, so that the deep awareness and creativity which is lying dormant within us is awakened. This also requires practice, patience, and acceptance. However, this is something that comes naturally for us. Gradually, as we make it a habit to go inside and reach this point of inner wisdom and creativity, it becomes more and more easy to go within. After some time, you will find that you are desperate to go within. When we'll spend more time looking outside, there will be one part of us which will pull us inwards towards this inner wisdom. This part of us will demand for us to connect with our deeper selves. I'll share this visualization meditation with you for connecting with your inner creative part. I would have shared it with you now itself, but the video is getting very long. I'll share this visualization meditation called Your Inner Home with you in the upcoming videos. You are always connected to me through my website theaditigupta.com, that is theaditigupta.com. theaditigupta.com. If you want to write anything to me, please write in the comment sections. And I pray to this divinity that you stay prosperous, happy, and healthy, and may you stay close to Mother Nature always. With this prayer, I'll see you next time. This is Aditi Gupta, life and business coach and strategist, signing off. Thank you.